My name is Malo. We're here in Inglewood, California at my shop, Junior's Kustoms. My family coming in as immigrants to the United States, we want that American dream. What my family wanted me to do from the beginning was just go be a construction worker like my dad. As I got older, I realized that I had this passion and this story to tell. I've had some really hard lessons in life where, I think I'm going the right way, but I'm not, from, injuries, being arrested. Even though inside you're an artist, you didn't want to be looked at as a weird kid. You had to be tough, you had to be this, you had to be that. And I think later on in life when I realized that art is what I love, and I really don't care what anybody has to say. So the Vicla, basically, it's a form of what we call calo, which is a slang deriving from the term bicicleta, which means bicycle. People call it a gangster Harley or a cholo bike, even a lowrider. It's strictly a Vicla. What you see out there on the street is preferably 18-inch apes, 21-inch rim, wire wheel in the front, fishtails. That's what the basics of a Vicla is. So the Vicla culture is about identity. When I built a Vicla, it all depends on the story we're telling. For example, whether you got revolutionary artwork or you got Day of the Dead artwork or you got gangster artwork, sometimes it's more personalized, sometimes it's somebody that passed away. The art and the way the bike looks is a representation of who you are. 20 years ago, there wasn't a lot of raza or Chicanos or Latinos on motorcycles. Well, now it's a lot different. Harley understands the subculture. In the Vicla culture, seeing that iconic Harley shield means the world to us. One of the representatives from Harley reached out to me and saw what I was doing with the inner city as far as, grabbing these kids and working with them on the weekends. I told her how hard it is to do this project. Majority of the money comes out of my pocket. She surprised me one day, called me and said, she's like, I got you a Street Bob 2024. I was like, oh, wow, right?
My name's Jonathan, I'm 14. Working with the bikes and with Malo changed my future, honestly. Have a leader mentality. You see other kids doing drugs, all kind of bad things. Set a good example for the next generation.
When you start something like this, it's a huge responsibility. They look at me as a mentor, I guess.
My name is Isabella Inglewood. What I enjoy most about working with Malo is that I can learn something new from him. He would just say, let me teach you this or let me teach you that.
I'm Quincy. I am 14 years old and I'm from LA. He wants to get more kids into building bikes and kind of focuses on the more intricate designs, the paint, and put the bikes together from stripping it to rebuilding it.
My name is Marcus. My favorite part about this, the airbrushing, I never done it before. It was a great experience learning it. We get to work with other people. It's been really cool to do that.
At first, we don't talk too much, whatever, but as time goes by, they open up and they start talking to you about other stuff other than the motorcycles. I come in here with good intentions. I've built a lot of bonds and friendships with these kids.
My name is Daniel and I am from Los Angeles. My favorite part of customizing the bike is improvising. You have to shape it into what you want. I have fun with it and it's a bonding experience, I'd say.
I think if I would have had that foundation as a kid, I might be somewhere else right now. But then again, maybe this is where I have to be. I have my Viclasos Day of the Dead show coming up. It's called The Ofrenda, which stands for The Offering. My shows are very different. They're very culturally motivated. Just bring our flavor to it, which is LA. If you're not from the scene and you go to a Viclasos show, it's important that you come down so you get a better understanding of what this culture is about, the whole Vicla culture. When you see someone on the road riding a Vicla, right? He looks chingon riding that bike. Why he has that character or why does he feel that way, proud, right? And you get a better feel for what this culture is about. I think the Vicla's here to stay. It's growing, it's worldwide. To me, there's no better bike than a Harley-Davidson.